My name is David Laing, Managing Director of Cleartherm Glass Sealed Units Limited. I established this business back in 1988, so we're 37 years old this year. My journey at Cleartherm was probably brought in my dad's arms, because that's when the company was started in 1988, and that was the year I was born, in that month as well, ironically. There was an invite across to the States from Edgetech to go and look at a warm edge line with a hot melt applicator on, and I thought, well, this has never really been done before, so popped across to the States late 2003 and saw my first hot melt robot line being incorporated with Edgetech, and I thought this is going to be a game changer for making IGUs.
If I was to talk to another IGU manufacturer that didn't automate, I would say automate, 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 because it's the future of the industry. Without automation, without making that investment, I don't think we'd be where we are today.
As a manufacturer, we choose our suppliers very carefully. We've got three main suppliers, and one of them, which is Edgetech, and working with Quanix and the staff at Edgetech, we have just total reliability. We put the product on, it works.
The reliability and quality of Super Spacer is known in the industry as being very good. There is competitors out there, which we've all used, but we use Edgetech Super Spacer. That's our only supplier of that product. So that, I think, says in itself that we think it's reliable.
Quanix and Edgetech perform to the levels that we require it to do.
We get on really well with them as people, as much as a business. And that shows that it's a good relationship between the company and Cleartherm on a personal level and a business level. And I don't see that changing in the future.